guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new video. Today I am here at Thorpepark, basically just to ride Hyperia. If you didn't know, Hyperia recently opened on the park. It had a little bit of downtime for just over 2 weeks, but has reopened, and it is my UK #1. So I'm here today to get on it, maybe once or twice, see how we get on. Even Keris is having a big portion of chippies, £3.60 for that. Don't think that's too bad. We're currently having a little bit of lunch. I've gone to get some noodles from the Spice Kitchen. But yeah, we're here to get on Hyperia. We're here to have a good time. Just here for a nice day on park, really.
I grew them myself. I grew them from the ground. Okay, we are now heading up into the station, ready for our ride on Hyperia. Okay, we're on next. I'll give you my review after. There's my friends, front row. That's my brother and his friend Lewis. They're on Hyperia. Let's go, it's their first time. Join me now as... Oh, queue jumper. Love that. As I was trying to say, join me now as we watch the Hyperia show. Ruining my show.
It's time to forge your own wings.
So I did originally film the whole entire show, but YouTube's deciding it doesn't want to upload it with the audio, so you're going to have to enjoy it with something different behind it. Hyperia show. I really enjoy it, really like that. It was my first time properly watching it. Keris? Good show. We like 2 thumbs up, or 1, but there is another thumb. Wait. Yay, wait.
Check it out, it's very much on YouTube.
So we have been on Hyperia once, and I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really good. Keris, how was your ride on Hyperia? Oh, no, we were on the rattly train.
Oh yeah, headbanger. No. It's not rattly like to the extent that like Reborn is, but
yeah,
my opinion still stays the same. So haters keep commenting.
Yeah, keep commenting because she still prefers Wickman. It was a bit rattly, that train that we went on, but we're in the queue now for ride number 2. About a 70-minute wait. We got in the queue at 3:15. It is now 4:15. So we shall see how we get on. The water dummies are just over here. Look at them chilling. It is 4:39. We're just literally heading into the station now. Okay, so we are the next group on. We've secured back row. But Sophia, when you edit this, put whatever time, however long it took in the vlog. Yeah, that's how long it took for us to get here.
So it's almost 10 to and we're off the ride, and wow, back row is phenomenal.
Back row, right side is insane. The air, just the drag, everything, the hang, absolutely brilliant. And the outer bank is phenomenal back right. I think that is the seat to be sat in. I also want to point out, with the 5 o'clock closing today, they closed the queue at 4:45. So, and it's about on an 80-minute queue. I also did want to point out the brand new Victory Plaza. Yes, the sign can come out. Do not do that, Keris. But yes, so the Victory Plaza is new here at Thorpe Park, basically AstroTurf, where Stitches was, or the extended Hyperia queue line. So Victory Plaza, basically, there's a big screen up. You can come and watch the football. This is an old kind of montage of a match they've got on. So you can watch the Euros, you can watch Wimbledon when it happens, and part of the Olympics. It's running through to August, and you can check out the Thorpe Park app for dates of things. They've got little deck chairs. They've also got benches with umbrellas for shade. And then you've got Ben & Jerry's, a bar, and of course taqueria. So this is going to be perfect for the summer, I think. I definitely know I'm going to be hanging out here if I just want a bit of shade, or we come for a drink. It's a really nice area, and I do like this, and I really hope they keep this because I think it's a brilliant idea, especially for the summer. That is today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed watching the show as well. I thought I'd include that just in case people couldn't get down to watch it, but it's an incredible show, so if you can come and watch it, come and watch it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like and subscribe. I'll be back very soon for another video. Bye bye guys.